This video shows you how to download and install the User Test Logger, a general-purpose data logger for user studies, implemented as a Firefox add-on. The easiest way to try out the tool is to load it as a temporary add-on. First, access github.com/ibm/user-test-logger. Then, download the zip file and save it at your preferred location. Unzip the file. Write about :debugging at the address bar. Click on Load Temporary Add-on. Locate the manifest.json file and select it. Then confirm. Everything is set up. You now can see the yellow icon at the toolbar. You are ready to configure the events you want to log and to start recording detailed interaction data during the user studies you run.